I wanted to show you guys eyebrow tinting. I don't know if it's something you've ever tried, but it's an absolute game changer. I've been using a lot of serums, this like Livi Lash serum system to grow my eyebrows back. See all the new babies. I haven't done this one yet, so I'm going to show you guys a little before and after, and I usually do 2 passes on each side, and it'll blow your mind how many little fine baby hairs you have that show up once you tint them. So here we go. So this is the little workstation. You have the cream colorant on one side and the gel activator, and this little fine like applicator stick. And I do it a couple different ways, but I'll usually go mostly like in the spots where I have all the baby hairs, and you do the color first and just apply it. And like obviously if you get it on your skin, it'll tint your skin, so you don't want to make it like crazy. And I usually only leave it on for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you go in with the gel activator, and then you swipe that over and it activates it. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and remove everything that's there. You want to really get it out. You guys, look at all those hairs that you could not see before. It's all mine. All right, now I'm going to do the left one. So I'm going to go right. I'm going to always start in the center where I need it the most, because it's going to grab the color there heavier, like wherever it's sitting longer, obviously. Also, I just want to say this is not necessarily just for new growth. Some people get grays in their brows. The more we wash our faces, kind of everything strips, like your skin tone, all of that. Going in the sun can lighten your brows, all of those things. So if you want them to appear thicker, the same way that you would color your roots on your hair, it's beyond. So like, I needed to share this with you guys because it's something I've been doing for years and I love it. Okay, so I'm wiping off my first pass on the left brow. What? You guys. Here we go. She has eyebrows! You guys. And then I've got my clear brow gel. You guys, look at all those hairs. Hairs I didn't have. I did not have these eyebrows or lashes before 2020. Straight up. Livi Lash. The Grow Serum is intended for your eyelashes. And I've been using it on my brows too. I barely have mascara on, but when I do, my eyelashes actually touch my eyebrows now. Game changer. So a couple little life hacks for you guys. Gotta try it.